dear children. Welcome to my channel. My name is Blue Cat. Today, I will teach you parts of our human body. Our body has lots of parts, and we use them in daily life. I am so excited to teach you all of them. Are you excited too? Before jumping into the video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. All right, let's go. This is my head. I think with my head. Now touch your head, children. Well done. This is my hair. There are too many hairs in my head. I brush my hair every morning. This is my forehead. It is under my hair. And older people have wrinkles on their forehead. These are eyebrows. They are on top of my eyes. Yink! These are my eyes. I see with my eyes. Let's look right. Now look left. Now blink, blink. This is my nose. I smell with my nose. I love smelling the food. Now sniff, sniff. These are my cheeks. They are on my face at both sides. These are my ears. I hear and listen with my ears. I love listening music. This is my mouth. I eat, drink, and talk with my mouth. Can you smile for me? Can you say mouth? This is my chin. It is under my mouth. This is my neck. The neck is the part of the body between your head and your shoulders. It helps your head move and holds it up. These are my shoulders. The shoulders are the parts on the sides of your body, between your neck and your arms. They help your arms move. Those are my arms. I hug with my arms. Shake your arms for me. In the middle of our arms, we have elbows. These are my hands. My hands help me to touch, grab, squeeze, etc. Let's clap our hands. 1, 2, 3, clap. There are fingers in my hand. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, and 5 fingers in my one hand. These are my legs. I run, jump, and crouch with my legs. This is my ankle. I can rotate my feet with my ankle. These are my feet. I walk and dance with my feet. All right, children, we learned our body parts. Now, tell me in the comments, which body part do you use in your daily life? Now, it is time to remember the body parts. Are you ready? Let's go! Which body part is this? This is head. Which body part is this? This is hair. Which body part is this? This is forehead. Which body part is this? This is eyebrow. Which body part is this? These are eyes. Which body part is this? This is nose. Which body part is this? These are cheeks. Which body part is this? These are ears. Which body part is this? This is mouth. Which body part is this? This is chin. Which body part is this? This is neck. Which body part is this? These are shoulders. Which body part is this? These are arms. Which body part is this? These are hands. Which body part is this? These are fingers. Which body part is this? These are legs. Which body part is this? This is ankle. Which body part is this? This is feet. Great job, everyone! Today, we learned about our heads, hands, feet, and so much more. Now it's your turn. Show your family what you've learned. See you next time for more fun and learning. Take care and bye-bye.